What is the difference between Nepenthes alata and Nepenthes ex Ventrata? The first difference is Nepenthes alata is a pure species, where Nepenthes ex Ventrata is an hybrid between two species. But what does the X mean?
X-Force!
Almost, but no, the X just means it's a cross. It's a cross between Nepenthes ventricosa and Nepenthes alata. There are several theories on why this name have been mislabeled. It could be more or less an accident, I let you imagine all the possibilities, but this plant is mislabeled for decades. So to see if you have a pure alata or a ventrata, you will have to check the peristome first. The peristome on alata is really narrow, where because ventrata is an hybrid with ventricosa, the peristome will be way thicker. Another characteristics of alata is the wings. The wings will be on the lowers as well as on the uppers. So if you don't have wings, you have a ventrata. Alata also have some fuzz, some hairs on the lid and the body. But since ventricosa don't have that, the hybrid don't have it too. Alata have a nectar gland that won't be there on ventrata. The last thing you want to check is the way the leaves are attached to the stem. On the left, we see that some water could stay between the leaves and the stem, but not on ventrata. And keep in mind that young ventrata will produce young pitcher with hair on the lid and on the wings, but adult pitcher of ventrata won't have all these features. Some people say that actually Nepenthes ventrata would be an hybrid between ventricosa and graciliflora. Why? Because graciliflora at that time was considered as alata. Here is some picture of graciliflora, and you will see that the leaves and the pitcher can be alike. Overall, ventrata is a great hybrid for beginner. It will allow you to do mistakes, the plant will still survive if you have some basic knowledge about Nepenthes. Until next time, happy growing!